I'm going to be using Canva on my phone, and I want to show you something. If you're not a Canva user, you should be. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add one of these images that I was working on. Like, I let AI create an image for me of Winnie the Pooh as a nurse. So I'm just going to pick one. I'm just going to pick this one right here. And I'm going to use it in new design. And what I want to do, because it's pink and maybe someone may not want pink, so let's see if I could get Canva to go. Been having so many connection issues, but that's neither here nor there. Let me show you what I have for you today. So you click adjust, you're going to scroll on over. You don't want to change that because when I'm on my phone, it always change. So I accidentally touched that area. So I'm just going to click on the pink one. That's the color I want to change. And simply by moving this slider, you can get all the colors that you may want. But you see how it's trying to change like his face? That's the only issue that I'm noticing with this particular one. Is changing that. So let me see something. Yep. So that's changing actually the color of his face with that one. But we don't want that one. So we don't want that to look like that. I'm going to go back and I'm going to take the other image that I originally used, because sometimes it works better with others than some, you know. So I'm going to just go to my uploads, and this was the original one. I'm going to bring that into Canva, and I'm going to set the image as background just to make it all the way fill up the screen. Then I'm going to go back over to tap the screen, and I'll go over to adjust. And then I'm just going to scroll it over. See, every time I try to do this on my phone, it always touched the thing. Okay, and then I want to go to the pink. So this one works a lot better than the other image. I don't know why. And maybe you needed to have the background removed. I don't know. But anyway, you see what it's doing. Like, it's changing that color. Do it one more time. Okay, I just want to go back to that pink. Look at all these beautiful color ranges that you can get real easily with Canva. So if you don't know about Canva, learn about Canva, and you can follow me and subscribe and like this video so that I can keep bringing you content. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.